If you think the best electric scooter for adults in 2025 is just about speed, you're missing the real picture. This year's top models push boundaries in range, comfort, portability, and durability. And I've tested them all, from lightweight folding commuter scooters to long-range electric scooters built for serious riders. Whether you want the most portable option for city travel, the most comfortable ride for daily commutes, or the longest-lasting battery for weekend adventures, we've got a pick that fits your lifestyle. And yes, our number one choice isn't just the best electric scooter for adults in 2025, it's the one I'd trust for years of reliable performance. Let's review our top 5 picks. At number 5, we have the iScooter iX4 for adults. If you're searching for one of the best electric scooters for adults in 2025 that delivers real value for money without cutting important corners, the iScooter iX4 stands out as a surprisingly capable option. This model is ideal for anyone who wants a budget-friendly commuter electric scooter that still provides a good balance of performance, stability, and portability. It offers a top speed of about 28 miles per hour, which is more than enough for city commuting, and a real-world range close to 25 miles, meaning you can easily get through most daily commutes or multiple short trips without worrying about charging. I've personally noticed that the folding latch on the iX4 is stronger than many budget electric scooters for adults I've tested, which makes a huge difference if you carry it upstairs, take it on buses, or store it in a trunk. The deck is wide enough to stand comfortably, and the ride quality is smoother than expected for this price category. If you want a foldable electric scooter for adults that's both reliable and practical without sacrificing too much speed or range, the iX4 is one of the latest electric scooters in 2025 that manages to tick all those boxes for entry-level buyers. At number 4, we have the Apollo Go electric scooter for adults. The Apollo Go is the kind of long-range electric scooter for adults that doesn't just look good on paper, it delivers in real-world riding. With a carefully tuned motor system, it provides a smooth acceleration curve that feels stable even when pushing toward its top speed. I've tested it over mixed terrain, and its dual suspension setup absorbs road imperfections far better than many scooters in its category. If you commute daily and want something that keeps you comfortable while still offering performance for weekend leisure rides, this one is worth a close look. In 2025, commuter electric scooters for adults need to balance power with safety, and the Apollo Go nails that with a dual braking system, combining regenerative braking and mechanical disc brakes. That means you're not only getting stopping power, but you're also recapturing a bit of energy every time you slow down. The battery life is impressive enough for extended rides, and the frame feels solid without being overly heavy, so you can still manage it in elevators or small storage spaces. If you want one of the top-rated electric scooters for adults in 2025 that offers both high performance and thoughtful design, the Apollo Go is a very strong contender. At number 3, we have the NIU KQi3 Max electric scooters for adults. The NIU KQi3 Max represents what I'd call a practical premium electric scooter for adults. This model is designed with commuting efficiency in mind, but it doesn't shy away from style or build quality. With a top speed that sits comfortably in the mid-20 miles per hour range and a long-range battery capable of over 40 miles under ideal conditions, it's built for riders who don't want to think about charging every day. One thing that stands out is NIU's attention to detail. The deck has an anti-slip surface that feels secure even in light rain, and the lighting system is brighter than most electric scooters for adults I've tested in this range. That's a huge safety boost for early morning or evening rides. The frame construction feels premium, and while it's not the lightest scooter, the weight distribution makes it manageable. If you want a premium commuter electric scooter for adults that combines durability, comfort, and extended range, the NIU KQi3 Max is one of the latest trending models in 2025 worth considering. At number 2, we have the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter, a name that's become almost synonymous with value-driven performance in the world of the best electric scooters for adults in 2025. If you're searching for something that balances speed, range, and portability without pushing you into the price bracket of premium luxury electric scooters, this is a smart place to start. The Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter is powered by a 500-watt brushless motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 19 miles per hour, which is fast enough for most urban commutes, yet manageable for new riders. The 10-inch solid tires are a standout feature. They eliminate the need for frequent inflating and completely avoid flats, making them a practical choice for daily use. In the context of electric scooters for commuting adults, this design really matters because it keeps downtime low and usability high. I've personally seen how this scooter thrives on moderately rough pavement and still feels stable thanks to its rear dual shock absorbers, which soften vibrations far better than many budget competitors. For anyone seeking a reliable electric scooter for adults that can be folded down quickly for storage in an apartment or office, the Hiboy S2 Pro checks all those boxes, plus it's compatible with a seat attachment if you prefer a more relaxed riding style. And at number 1, we have the Segway Ninebot Max electric scooter, which, in my experience, is not just one of the best electric scooters for adults in 2025, but also one of the most refined and proven options for long-term ownership. What sets it apart immediately is its 551-watt battery, offering a real-world range of up to 40 miles per charge, which, in my testing, is more accurate than the inflated claims we sometimes see from lesser brands. The 350-watt motor might sound modest on paper compared to some high-powered scooters, but the torque delivery is smooth and consistent, especially on inclines up to 20%. This makes it an excellent electric scooter for adults who live in hilly cities or want that extra confidence in acceleration. The 10-inch pneumatic self-healing tires are another Segway Ninebot signature. They offer real suspension-like cushioning without the complexity of a full suspension system. Plus, they resist punctures remarkably well. I've ridden the Ninebot Max G3 in everything from light rain to dusty trails, and the IPX5 water resistance really holds up. The folding mechanism is sturdy and quick, which is critical for commuters using public transport in combination with their scooter. And while it's not the lightest at around 41 pounds, the build quality feels like it will easily last you years. If you want an electric scooter for adults that blends commuting practicality, long-distance capability, and durability in one package, the Segway Ninebot Max G3 remains my go-to recommendation. So, after riding, testing, and comparing these 5 contenders, it's clear that the best electric scooter for adults 2025 isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. Some riders will value ultra portability for city commuting, others will prioritize maximum range for longer weekend trips, and a few will want pure power and speed for that adrenaline kick. The good news is, every scooter we covered today has earned its place by excelling in real-world use, not just on paper. No matter your budget, riding style, or daily routine, there's a model here that can make your commutes faster, your errands easier, and your rides more enjoyable. The key is matching the scooter's strengths to your needs, and now you have the insight to do exactly that.